Well, even before Roe versus Wade, Hawaii was the first state in the nation to legalize abortion back in 1970. KITV4's Kristen Concilio joining us now after talking with women's rights advocates about what this overturn will mean for the Aloha State. What did they tell you, Kristen?
Well, Tom, many women are worried about the future of their reproductive health rights in the islands.
It is very personally upsetting to me.
Becky Gardner now worries about whether or not her two young girls will have the same rights she had growing up.
I don't know how I'm going to explain to my daughters that these men in D.C. can make decisions about their bodies. It feels like an assault on women, and it's 2022. I don't want to pass on a world to my daughters that's going to imprison them.
We already have an access issue.
Carolyn Hadfield says she still remembers fighting in front of the Hawaii State Capitol 50 years ago for abortion rights. But today, the longtime advocates disheartened.
This has just come like, a really belly punch, that this is now in jeopardy, I think, all over the United States. I am outraged.
Governor Ige called the Supreme Court ruling today outrageous and a huge step backwards for women's rights. In a statement, he assured women access to health care, including abortions in the islands. But Hadfield isn't buying it. She expects that access will only get harder with more people traveling to Hawaii for abortions as other states ban them, draining the already limited resources.
Hawaii already doesn't have enough providers. We don't have abortion on 3 islands now.
But her greatest fear is that this is just the tip of the iceberg and the start of a major fight, not only over women's rights, but rights for all.
I think the battle's just beginning. It's our obligation, whether we're a state with choice or not, to be on the street and fight for it. But even beyond that, I don't think it's safe here either.
The governor pledged to do everything in his power to ensure women locally keep that control. Reporting live, Kristen Concilio, KITV4 Island News.